Imagine a country where the future does not wait quietly inside a laboratory. It moves through city streets as electric cars. It works inside factories as intelligent robots. It flies above farmland as autonomous drones. It watches the planet from space. It learns, predicts, builds, and adapts. This is the new technological story of China. For decades, the world called China the factory of the planet. It was the place where phones, toys, clothes, electronics, and machines were assembled at incredible speed. But today, China is trying to change that identity. It no longer wants to be known only as the place where the world's products are made. It wants to become the place where the next generation of technology is designed, tested, scaled, and exported. And this shift is already visible. Walk through a major Chinese city, and the future feels close. Electric vehicles are everywhere. Delivery robots move through campuses and office parks. Facial recognition gates, smart payment systems, automated warehouses, high-speed trains, digital hospitals, and AI-powered public services are becoming part of daily life. For some countries, future technology appears slowly, one product at a time. In China, it often arrives as an ecosystem. The first major battlefield is artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a chatbot on a screen. In China, it is becoming a layer across the economy. It can help factories predict machine failures. It can guide doctors through scans and records. It can support education platforms, customer service, logistics, finance, public transport, and smart home devices. China's ambition is not only to build powerful AI models. The bigger goal is to connect AI with real-world industries. That means AI inside cars, robots, cameras, hospitals, factories, farms, and government services. This is where China's scale becomes important. A country with huge cities, massive factories, large data flows, and powerful manufacturing networks can test new technology very quickly. When a new idea works, it can be scaled across millions of users, thousands of companies, and hundreds of cities. But AI is only one part of the story. The next frontier is robotics. China is preparing for a future where robots are not only machines behind glass walls and factories. The new generation of robots will walk, carry, clean, inspect, deliver, assemble, and eventually assist humans in daily work. Humanoid robots are one of the most fascinating parts of this future. They are still early, still imperfect, and still expensive. But China is investing heavily because it sees robotics as a solution to two big challenges: an aging population and a changing labor market. In the coming years, robots may appear in warehouses, elderly care centers, shopping malls, hospitals, farms, and homes. They may not replace humans overnight, but they may change what work looks like. The real power of China's robot industry comes from its supply chain. Motors, sensors, batteries, cameras, chips, materials, and factories are already close together. This makes it easier to design a robot, build it, test it, reduce the cost, and produce it at scale. That is China's formula. Not only invention, but mass production. Nowhere is this more obvious than in electric vehicles. China's EV rise is one of the most important technology shifts of the 21st century. In a short period of time, Chinese companies moved from following global car makers to competing directly with them. They built affordable EVs, advanced batteries, fast charging systems, software-defined vehicles, and intelligent driving features. For the United States and Europe, this is a serious challenge. For the Global South, it may become an opportunity. Cheaper electric vehicles could make clean transportation more accessible in countries where expensive Western EVs are out of reach. But China's real advantage is not just the car. It is the full EV ecosystem. Batteries, minerals processing, battery recycling, charging networks, smart vehicle software, and manufacturing speed. Battery technology is one of China's strongest areas. Better batteries mean longer range, lower cost, safer vehicles, and faster charging. They also matter beyond cars. Batteries are essential for renewable energy, backup power, electric trucks, buses, ships, and eventually flying vehicles. And that leads to another emerging frontier, the low-altitude economy. This is the idea that the sky above cities and rural areas can become a new economic space. Drones could deliver packages, inspect power lines, spray crops, monitor disasters, transport medical supplies, and one day, carry passengers in air taxis. China is already testing large cargo drones and electric vertical takeoff aircraft. The vision is bold. Roads on the ground, railways between cities, and intelligent air routes above them. For agriculture, this could be transformative. A drone can scan fields, detect crop problems, spray with precision, and reduce waste. For emergency response, drones can move faster than trucks in floods, earthquakes, or mountain areas. For cities, air mobility could become a new layer of transportation, although safety, regulation, noise, and public trust remain major challenges. The next layer of China's future is connectivity. 5G changed how devices connect. 6G could change how machines, cities, satellites, robots, and AI systems communicate. China is investing in 6G research because the next generation of networks may power autonomous vehicles, smart factories, remote surgery, holographic communication, and real-time AI systems at massive scale. The future internet may not only connect phones, it may connect everything. Cars, drones, ports, trains, energy grids, factories, and satellites. This is why satellite internet, quantum communication, and advanced networking are becoming strategic technologies. In the next decade, the countries that control digital infrastructure may influence how global trade, security, finance, and communication evolve. China is also moving upward into space. Its space program has become one of the most visible symbols of national technology ambition. Space stations, lunar missions, Mars research, satellites, and deep space exploration are not only scientific projects. They are also about navigation, communication, Earth observation, national prestige, and long-term strategic power. In the future, space technology could support climate monitoring, disaster prediction, agriculture, global internet coverage, and even resource exploration. China understands that the next economy may not be limited to Earth. But one of the hardest battles is happening at a much smaller scale: semiconductors. Chips are the invisible foundation of modern technology. AI models need chips. EVs need chips. Robots need chips. Phones, servers, satellites, military systems, and medical devices all depend on chips. Because of export controls and geopolitical tension, China is pushing harder to build its own semiconductor ecosystem. This is difficult. Advanced chips require extreme precision, deep expertise, specialized machines, and global supply chains. But China has made self-reliance a strategic priority. This chip race is not only about technology, it is about power. Whoever controls chips controls the speed of AI, automation, defense systems, and the digital economy. Another important area is green technology.
China is building solar panels, wind turbines, batteries, electric buses, and energy storage systems at enormous scale. The world is moving toward clean energy, and China wants to lead the supply chain behind that transition. But this future also comes with contradictions. Manufacturing clean technology still requires mining, energy, land, factories, and global shipping. So the question is not only who builds the green future, but how clean that future really is. Biotechnology is another field to watch. China is investing in medical AI, gene research, synthetic biology, smart hospitals, and digital health systems. A future hospital may use AI to read scans, robots to deliver supplies, wearable sensors to track patients, and big data to predict health risks before they become emergencies. For an aging society, this matters deeply. China needs technology that can support healthcare, elder care, and productivity at the same time. But with every powerful technology comes a difficult question. Who controls the data? Who protects privacy? Who benefits from automation? Who loses their job? Who sets the rules when AI makes decisions? And how can the world avoid turning technology into a weapon of division? China's rise in upcoming technology is impressive, but it is not simple. It creates opportunities and tensions at the same time. It may lower the cost of EVs, batteries, solar panels, drones, and robots for the world. But it also increases competition with the United States, Europe, Japan, South Korea, and other technology powers. For American audiences, China's technology rise is often seen through the lens of competition. For international audiences, it may also be seen through the lens of access. Many countries want affordable infrastructure, cheaper clean energy, digital tools, and modern transportation. China wants to provide those technologies. This is why China's future matters far beyond China. The next chapter of global technology may not be written by one country alone. It will be shaped by competition, cooperation, regulation, and trust. China is building a future where AI connects with robotics, robotics connects with factories, factories connect with electric vehicles, vehicles connect with batteries, batteries connect with renewable energy, drones connect with smart cities, and satellites connect everything from above. It is not one invention. It is a system. And that system is moving fast. The world is now watching a country that once copied technology become a country that
Is trying to define what technology becomes next. Maybe the future will be electric. Maybe it will be automated. Maybe it will be intelligent, connected, and flying above our cities. Maybe it will be built inside silent factories, powered by batteries, guided by AI, and watched from space. But one thing is already clear. China